What's going on, Gunners? Today's an important video. Today is the video where we tune O-Ren. Now, this video is going to be a little weird because make sure you smash that like button as you see me talking right now. I heard that's what you're supposed to do. So help me out. Smash that like button, bro. Yeah, so today's going to be a weird video because you can't see the power. I'm going to tape off the screen when we get there. It is currently 7:30 in the morning. I am just prepping the car to be 200%. Definitely have to change the suspension. I test drove it around the block with a base map that Jamie sent, and there is no way I am going to give someone this car with this suspension. All 4 struts are blown, so I'm going to put new suspension on it. That, and like I said, this video is weird. The reason we can't show the power on the graph is, how do we give this man a fold-away? So we need to get to 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, TSM Race. Shoot them a follow. Show them some love. But I guess that's the perfect way to give this away when we get to 20,000 subscribers. You have to guess the horsepower to the T. The exact horsepower. So closest to the exact horsepower, first to comment, wins the manifold. So yeah, let's enjoy this video and have some fun. Keep gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Boys and girls, we are at the dyno. Didn't want to bore you with the traveling. We are, oh, check my boy out. Oh, somebody getting free gas. We are currently draining out the pump gas. Trappy buckets. Got 5 gallons of E right there. And we're almost on the dyno. So Jamie has 1 car ahead of us, and then we are up. So this is going to be fun. I might give you guys like a checklist too for the dyno and everything. So yeah, stay tuned. And this is the perks for when you're going with your friend to the dyno. You get to keep the pump gas.
Oh yeah.
How much gas you had before?
Probably like 3/4.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I know you, brother. You
I'm
just
not
get.
trapped.
Yeah, nah, you a $10 man, bro. Yo, $10. I'm gonna fill it in Jersey.
Right.
It's cheaper.
Nah, I'm trying to. I learned that from you. Yo, 46. Yo, what up?
Yeah,
46.
46. Best gas, man. My man getting free petrol on here. Check it out, though. Let me show the LCA. Just on one side, though.
Yo.
Just on one side. Come
NASCAR
on.
shit. NASCAR shit.
NASCAR what? All lefts?
NASCAR shit.
All lefts.
Circle track car. All lefts on.
E85 in, the corn's in. Guess who else is getting tuned today? Keep them buddy. Oh, we're gonna have a race on the way home.
Oh, really?
Son.
Y'all niggas really?
Yeah, we're gonna have a race on the way home, son. I ain't gonna record it neither.
My shit's is skating on ice. You ain't gonna do
Nah,
it
we
too
fucking
much
you
better.
up the whole ride home.
Crazy,
Whole ride home.
crazy. You don't see this? Look at the pedal. Look at the toe. The toe. That E85 in. Almost time to strap up. Pause.
60 to 130 on the highway?
Yeah, fuck what y'all do.
Oh, shit.
After Cunha got me, I'm not beating on that train. It's over.
Nah?
Nah, I see you at
Oh,
shit.
Alright boys, so we're all done tuning O-Ren, and man, it made some good jam. So I'm looking at the dyno graph right now. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys what it has because that will be basically the contest to win the Tri-State Motorsports T4 Turbo Manifold. So I'm done tuning the car. It made some really good power. Big shout out to Jamie Marsh. Big shout out to Kenny at the dyno. And I'll record a clip of the actual graph so you guys can see it, and then when we announce the winner, we'll show the proof of it. So we'll take a pull, see how it feels. That baby feel good. She feel good, Lefty. Oh, yeah. She feel good.
Feel good?
Feel good.
Yeah.
Feel good, boys.
Yo, nah.
Feels
Vicky,
good,
I'm
man.
gonna give you 279.
You hear the pedaling though?
Yeah, I
You don't hear the pedal.
I
You
hear
heard
it.
the pedal?
You out here with
Yeah,
the
you hear
fucking- Yeah.
Yeah, car feels great, man. I'm excited. I'm happy. Jamie Marsh, the man.
Vicky, get dirty, nigga. Strap this shit up, nigga.